Is it the right time to buy or sell Phunware stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Phunware. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, January 17, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at stockinvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 16, 2024, our system has ranked Phunware as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.08. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Unfortunately, the stock has underperformed compared to our predictions, resulting in a loss of 61.29%. This means an average daily loss of 30.65% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently in the midst of a significant downward trend in the short term, indicating a further decline within this trend. Based on the past 3 months, there is a potential -18.40% change expected over the next 3 months. This means the stock could return anywhere between -81% and 110.05%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected -70.94% change over the next year. The potential return within this period could range from -100.00% to -25.63%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $0 to $0.121 after 12 months. Our latest update on Phunware brings us to the headline, Volatile Ride for Phunware Incorporated stock price on Wednesday, with movement between $0.155 and $0.243. On Wednesday, January 17, 2024, the Phunware Incorporated stock price experienced a decrease of 61.29%, going from $0.420 to $0.163. Throughout the trading day, the stock saw a fluctuation of 56.9%, starting from a low of $0.155 and reaching a high of $0.243. Although the price has fallen in 6 out of the last 10 days, it still shows an increase of 95.67% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock, which is generally considered a positive sign. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by 1 billion shares on the last day, with a total of 502 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $81.60 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the stock was $1.15, while the lowest price reached $0.0701. At present, the price stands at 85.86%, or 99 cents, below the 52-week high in 99.97%, or $549.84, below the all-time high on January 10, 2019, when the price hit $550. Analysts have given Phunware stock a general neutral rating. They consider the P/E ratio as a strong buy and price to book as a strong buy as well. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a sell rating. Let's take a look at the signals for Phunware. The Phunware Incorporated stock shows positive buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there is support at $0.137 and $0.103. However, if the stock falls below these levels, it may issue sell signals. Moving on, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also provides a buy signal. It's important to note that there have been some negative signals as well, which could impact the short-term development of the stock. For instance, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, January 16, 2024, resulting in a decrease of -61.29%. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is identified. On the last trading day, the volume of trades decreased along with the stock price. This reduces the overall risk, as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence-divergence signal indicates a buy. Pivot suggests a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following. The short moving average suggests a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 3 days ago. Remember to visit our page at stockinvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop-loss for Phunware. On the downside, the stock has support levels at $0.148 and $0.139 based on accumulated volume. When a stock tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, Phunware Incorporated has support just below today's level at $0.148. If this support is broken, the next support levels are at $0.139 and $0.128. This stock is known for its high volatility, meaning it can experience significant price movements throughout the day. The Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval, further highlighting the high-risk nature of this stock. In the past day, the stock had a price range of $0.0882 or 56.9%. Over the last week, the stock's daily average volatility was 64.1%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Phunware, let's take a moment to understand some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative PE ratio, it means they are either experiencing losses or have negative earnings. Even established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios might indicate inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for March 28, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report stand at $0.0500. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's explore some potential day trading levels for Phunware. If Phunware experiences an upward trend, its first resistance level is at $0.167. If you're considering entering a position and you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if Phunware faces a downward movement, its first support level is at $0.148. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, as we anticipate a potential rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Phunware is neutral. Now let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On December 1, 2023, Olive Christopher D. conducted an insider buy of 4,000 shares of common stock. On December 1, 2023, Olive Christopher D. conducted another insider buy of 4,000 shares of common stock. On December 1, 2023, Snavely Michael conducted an insider sell of 83,903 shares of common stock. On December 1, 2023, Snavely Michael conducted another insider sell of 83,903 shares of common stock. On November 15, 2023, Snavely Michael conducted another insider sell of 192,399 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is positive with a ratio of 54.999. Overall, insiders purchased a total of 9,444,046 shares and sold 2,662,844 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss at $0.153, which is a decrease of 5.86%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, resulting in a high level of risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was found 1 day ago. Is Phunware stock a good buy? While Phunware Incorporated shows several positive signals, we believe it may not be enough to consider it a buy candidate. Instead, we suggest holding or accumulating this position and waiting for further development. Our analysis of the volatility and movements from the last trading day indicates that the current price of Phunware is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Thursday, January 18th, we anticipate Phunware to open higher by $0.0243 and begin trading at $0.187. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. To make informed decisions, we strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that stockinvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock market. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. We're also curious to know what your target is for this stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day.